Again, exploding TNT. Subscribe to him. I made him a little boy. Not really a little boy. If you know what I was going to say, you'll know why. So, here's this little gift. What is it? I'm just kidding. Oh man, sorry about that. Sorry, here's his actual gift. I'll start with T. The beginning of T. Exploding TNT. That's why I put TNT then because it's exploding. I wish you could hear this. Man, the lag. Sorry about the lag. Do not crash. I'm so sorry about it. Sorry about the crash. It is the crash. I'm sorry about the. Oh my. I've never seen TNT do this much damage. I've never seen TNT. Well, here's this gift. Hope you enjoyed and like the video. I even subscribe. Hey, that was boring. This is not. This is this diamond block. What do you think is going to happen to it? This special diamond block. It's gonna die. I'm gonna die. It's gonna die. I'm still sorry about the lag though. Look, it will be destroyed. There we go. It started. Bye bye. Just princess now. What? It can't be blown up by one piece. It's just can be blown. Oh, get out. See if I don't block kill it. Oh my gosh. I'm only live for 1 or 2 seconds. Well, I hope you enjoyed. And tell Exploring TNT about this gift. After that, there was like nothing. So sorry. Just kidding. Oh, Emma. I gotta stop doing that. Well, bye. I know you're gonna dislike this. Please like it. If you enjoy it and like the video. Oops.